welcome back to the layout. So in this video I'm just going to go over how I'm installing the tortoise switches over here in Smithville with a crossover with the beam that's running across here. And as you can tell, I already got one up here. This is going to be the tortoises underneath this, and then we're going to put another one over here. The hole's been drilled on the throw bar, and for this switch what I've decided to do is drill the hole over here, replace this throw bar with a longer one, and then connect the tortoise up to here. I have enough room over here for the tortoise. Alright, so that's what I'm up to, and I'll show you when I'm done. Alright, so I have two of the tortoise machines put underneath. These are the throw rods that I have to cut back. Okay, I just got alligator clips on them right now just to hold it in place, and there they are right there. They're not fastened in yet. I'll be using these number 6 5/8 screws to fasten them in. First I'm going to be drilling a pilot hole for the screws, and then I'll put the screws in. Then I have one more tortoise machine to put in, and that's going right over here. So I cut this piece out. I'm going to put a longer throw bar there to replace this one, and then I'll mount the tortoise machine over here, and it should work. And that's how I'm going to solve that problem with the beam over here. Alright, so that's what's happening. Like I said, I got to mount those two. I still have to put connectors on the end of them, and then put the terminal strip underneath and connect all these wires to them. Oh yeah, the wire that I'm using for the tortoise machine is, I think, 45 thou piano wire. Just bend the end of it a little bit and then give it a little kink here, just like it has on the diagram. I'll show you in a minute. So this is the instructions that you get with the tortoise machine, and there's the wire that you bend at the end, then you give it a little kink and it gives you the length to cut the wire down to. So that's what I did with that piano wire, which I think is about 40 thou. I do have to drill the little hole over here out a little bit, and same thing with the bar that goes up there. So I do have to drill this out. Then I have to drill this hole where the piano wire comes up, a little bit bigger, and then it should be ready to mount. And it comes with a little screw, a Phillips head screw. Where did it go? There it is, right there. That gets put in there. Alright. Alright, now, so as you notice, the wires have been cut back because the tortoise machines are in now. So we have the wires down here, which are going to be connected to these terminal blocks, and I don't know if you can see it, but there's the one that I had to put right beside the brace. So that one's in. Zoom out, there's that one, then the other one. So I got the wires all ready for connections. Then I have to undo these screws, solder the wires off, and connect it to the terminal strips, and then the frogs will be powered. So almost done. And then we'll put the panel here. That's probably going to be next week. So with that, again, thank you for watching. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and as always, let's watch some trains run.